guys, welcome back. I'm going to explain about week 1 and kind of how to work in the week 1 folder. But before I do, up here on the left hand side there are places that you're going to find badges, and as you complete week 1 I will add a week 1 badge for you. We are going to do a little bit of grading. It's just you'll get an A if you complete the activity. So as you post and as you complete your lessons and add your screenshots, I'll add that in your grade book. So you can click on those and it'll give you information. What I want you to do is click on week 1 first, and when you click on week 1 it's going to give you the steps that we talked about. A lot of you already have a profile picture in Schoology, and so I can see that when you post, and you saw mine when I posted in my video earlier. If you've never put a profile in Schoology, just click on this and watch the video, and it tells you how to do that. So some of you might be ready to skip that step. The second thing on the directions, you can see I listed them up here, and then it's 1.1, 1.2. I want you to practice taking a screenshot from a website, because every week you're going to just take a screenshot of your progress and put it in our discussion board. So it says show us you can screenshot from a website, so I want you to go to this website, code.org/gallery, find a video that a student's created that you like, screenshot it and upload it. Okay, so you'll click on your comment here and then click File in the left hand corner, and you can see this is one I found that I liked. If you're not sure how to do a screenshot in the Chromebook, how to do a screenshot, which means you're just taking a picture, then I want you to go back, and right here it tells you how to take a screenshot on your Chromebook. Okay, and so you can practice a couple times. It's just taking a picture of what your screen sees. So I want you to do that at 1.2. 1.3 says join our class. You've already done that, so I'm going to be deleting that here this afternoon, so you probably won't see that next time you get on. And then I want you to work on lessons 4 through 10 at code.org. Okay, you're going to go out to Code. You've already signed up. You did that on Sunday. And when you go out to code.org, my screen looks a little different, but you'll go out to your course. I started everybody in course 2. That's what's recommended. Those of you that have been maybe in a coding class, you might be in a different section. Up here it tells you where you're at right now. This is where I left off. If I click back at the beginning, I can see where I started. It really is important that you don't jump ahead. I know when I was even doing this quickly when I was in training, when I jumped ahead, I really didn't get good at a step, and then it got really confusing. So if you're struggling, just go back and redo a lesson, okay? And if you want to see your progress, I think if you click more, it will tell you everything you've done. So you can see that I didn't do lesson 1 and 2. I jumped right in at lesson 3. Don't do that. Start with each one. They're progressive. And this is what I want a picture of by the end of the week. Okay, you can see here that I think I did over 10 lessons. So some of you that want to work at a certain pace can do 4 of these lessons a week. You might do 5. You know, all the way up to 10 is really the expectation. So it just depends on your age, how much you've done, what works for you. But I want you to learn this coding for you and be at a level that you want. So when I say 4 lessons, I mean 4 of these green dots. Okay? And when we talk about making a screenshot at the end of the week of how you've done or when you're finished, I want a screenshot of this screen that shows the lessons that have the dots. Okay? So let's go back to Schoology. Remember on week 1, inserting a picture, practicing making a screenshot in the discussion board. If you're not sure, this tells you how. Don't need to join our class. You're already there. And when I mean join our class, join in our code.org class. Do 4 to 10 lessons. You know, you might do 1 on Monday, 1 on Tuesday, 2 on Monday. You know, it just depends. After you've finished your 4 to 10 lessons, you'll go to your screenshot activity. This is a media album, and so I took a screenshot of mine. You're going to go up and hit Add Media, and you're going to attach the file, and you're going to look for your file. Yours looks different than mine, but you're going to look for your file of what you just screenshotted, and you're going to add it. And then we'll see everybody's progress for the week on here. Okay, so everybody will post theirs. So we inserted a picture, we practiced a screenshot, we did our 4 to 10 lessons, and then the last 2 things are to watch a video. Okay, you can choose any of these videos that are below, and then I want you to discuss to the discussion board. Okay, so here are your video choices. And then when you're done watching the video, answer the questions. What video did you watch? Are you interested in the job discussed? Why or why not? And so again, you'll post here. You can post with a video, just like we talked about. You can post, here's that little video button. You can post by typing, okay? And again, when you have added your Schoology picture right here, we'll be able to see your face, which will be nice on this online class. You know, online classes are different in the fact that we aren't seeing each other face to face, and so when we do our work, we're working alone. And so when we have discussion boards and videos, we want to share our thinking and our learning. And so we have to remember that if we're typing words or if we're sharing a video, that we communicate as best we can in that way. So that's kind of what every week will look like. This is week 1, completed by Monday, June 12th. Week 2 is very similar, okay? I still have to add some things in there, but you will do 4 lessons. You will, 4 to 10, you'll watch a video, and then you post a discussion board. So if you didn't remember from the last time, what we're going to do is in this syllabus right here, which is really just information of what we are going to learn. And so if you're kind of maybe going on vacation, you're wondering, you can go in and look and see, okay? One last reminder, in Schoology, if you're stuck and you need some help, don't forget there's Chromebook help here on this first folder. There's also the coding help desk, okay? So you can leave me a message, you can go to the coding help desk, but we want this class to be enjoyable, even though it's not face-to-face, and have some fun working on an online class in Schoology. I think you guys are going to enjoy this. Have a great afternoon.